did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heart beating out your chest, and your sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it. Almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it.
Hey guys, what's up? So yesterday night after dinner we came back to our homestay and then slept off because we were quite tired. So today is a bright new day, bright sunny day, and it's day 2 in Darjeeling, and we're gonna explore the zoo and some other places. So keep watching and let's get going.
Silence when you just don't know if you might have made a mistake. Yeah. Had a suspicion, I was secretly hoping that we were on the same page. 'Cause your chest, your sweat, and your palms just won't.
So from the homestay till the zoo road we had to take a sumo, a cab, which cost us 500 bucks for 7 of us, so which is so fine. And now we have to walk a little bit and we're about to reach in some time. So the last time also when we came to the zoo, it was closed. When yesterday it was closed, but then thankfully today it's open and we're gonna see some animals. Some of my siblings, just kidding.
I love you till it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed now, baby. It ain't just you. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh, oh. I
We got our tickets. It's 60 per person.
I know this feeling's a new. Oh, baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too.
I see a bear out there sleeping. Where is it? That one. So I haven't been to a zoo in a while. I think it's been many years. So I'm here after so many years. So it's quite exciting to see the animals. Oh, I spotted another bear there. That one. Oh, that one. You know the bears reminds me of the bhalu in Mowgli. How cute he was. Also the way they're sleeping is just so cute. How is your experience to come to zoo after so long?
It's so good. But the animals, all the animals looks the same, but they are different. It isn't the same.
It is.
Yeah, it is. So yeah. No, all of them also, all the animals look the same, no? Don't lie, Eddie. Eddie's lying. She's all different.
We should put Chiru in one cage, no?
What reason?
No, actually, see, they're making this now.
I know why.
They're making this.
I'll tell you reason. Because you become an animal once you're drunk.
So we are going towards the HMI, which is also known as Himalayan Mountaineering Institute.
So out here we will get to see Tenzing Norgay, who was the first person to climb Mount Everest along with Mr. Edmund Hillary. So his mountaineering gear and stuff like that. So we'll get to see all that here. And you will also get to do adventure sports. Yay!
Zipline thing behind me. I'm gonna do it for sure. But after a while, let's go first see the museum first. Came from the museum. We were not allowed to shoot inside the museum, so I couldn't shoot, but then we saw a lot of things like the tools for mountain climbing. Then we saw a lot of species like the snakes and all. the dead one, of course. And then we saw Tenzing Norgay's outfit, like whatever equipments he used, whatever was required to go for the climb to Mount Everest. We saw the base camps, the summits. It was actually nice and very informative. So please, I wish I could record or shoot for you guys, but it's not that possible.
The shoes, the bags, the jacket.
I was just feeling how they would have felt when they just reached there.
Up there, no?
Just us only there, we felt like that. Imagine.
And there is a course for all this. So that course cost.
It costs around 30 lakhs, guys, to finish your course. What are your health conditions? Then I think the course is for a year.
You have to be very fit.
So you guys think you're fit for the...
No.
This is not my
For me, it's
fantasy.
a big no. For me, it's a big no.
I don't really have a dream to go for that adventure, but I really salute those people who goes actually, because the other day when we went to Guru Dongmar, it was very bad for me. I felt really sick, but going to Everest for the base camp, that's a lot. You have to be physically too fit. And anyways, coffee time now. But yeah, definitely visit HMI to get so many information, so many knowledge about mountaineering.
Who's that?
If you are into it, if you have a dream, like my friend said, go for the course.
Cost 30 lakhs.
He's saying it costs 30 lakhs, but it's gonna be worth it because you're gonna live your dream and you're gonna get prepared. We're gonna do this activity now. It costs us 600, no, 800 per person. Oh, no, 200 per person.
I know you said it in the heat of the moment, but did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heartbeat beating out your chest, and you sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. That awkward silence when
This was the best one, but that one was very scary because it's very deep, no, and it keeps shaking. But then this is the best one.
I was secretly hoping that we were on the same page. 'Cause your chest, your sweat, and your arms just won't rest. For a second you regret it, almost wanna take
Okay, see. Hurt gaya. But it was so much fun. No? This was the best, no?
Yeah, so much fun. The other one too, oh my god, so much
That one
pressure in life.
I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing.
I finally saw a leopard there and I feel so happy. It just warms my blood up.
Yeah, by the way, there's a snow leopard sleeping out there. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Sleeping under the sun.
Black leopard.
I don't think so it's visible, but
Is it alive or what?
it is definitely alive. But it's sleeping.
I feel it too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, yeah, yeah. I feel it too. I feel it, I feel it. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too.
So now we are out from the zoo and got some chanas here to eat because we are quite hungry. We haven't had our lunch yet, and this is very yum. This is like mandatory. I think even last year when we came here, after the zoo, since it was closed, we just had some chanas, which is really yum, and did a little bit of shopping. And yeah, now I don't know where we are heading towards, but just keep watching. I'll update you. I have to also ask something to Suku. Suku? Suku! It's nice. It's just that it's very sad that animals are being captivated just for our pleasure.
Yeah, that is one thing. Apart from seeing the animals, I think the adventure thing was really fun. Like the ziplining and all of that. I freaked out at one point of time because it was quite scary. But then it was fun. I want to do it again. But
To this pity party in my head, and I'll cry if I want.
the clock tower,
And which movie was shot here?
Barfi. Now we are going to have some yummy local food. I am very happy and excited. I've been craving for some rice.
Positive thing to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Felt like I'm way too young to fill this soul. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up.
we are at Kathmandu at Darjeeling for lunch.
And it's already fine.
To eat some thali, and it's already 5 p.m. I'm very hungry. So we just placed our order. We are eating Choila Thali. It's very spicy. Yes, it is very spicy. It's quite cold outside. It's getting actually very cold outside. Just waiting for the food now.
Oi, chili.
Way too young to fill this old. Yeah.
Yeah, this one is so much yummy.
My parents don't get it, and they don't give me enough credit. My friends, I'm broken. I've tried and I can't stop smoking. My fears are growing, and my learning curve is slowing. I got no friends, and I'm broken.
Changing the surname as well.
It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I will have one.
So this is it about Darjeeling Diaries. It's late, 8 o'clock now. Everything is shut, almost shut. Going back to the homestay. We'll do a bit of a bonfire and sleep. Going back to Kershang tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you all there. Bye, take care, love you.